Dear children, now today we are going to begin fourth chapter, Nutrition in Living Organisms. In Marathi it is called Sajivatil Poshan because nutrition is Poshan in Marathi. Let us see the definition of nutrition. The process of taking in and using food which takes place in living organisms is called nutrition. We take food in and we use that food for our growth, for obtaining energy, and that is called nutrition. In short, the definition will be like this: the study of food and feeding is called nutrition. The study of food and feeding is called nutrition. Now, in our body, there are several life processes that are going on continuously throughout our life. For example, metabolism takes place in our body, digestion, respiration, all the circulation. These processes are going on continuously. And for digestion process, we require foodstuffs. Now, what are foodstuffs? The substances which are digested and assimilated for obtaining energy and for growth are called foodstuffs. Whenever we take food, we feel that we have got some energy, and for our growth also we require food. Otherwise there will be malnutrition. If we do not take food, there will be malnutrition, and it is the very major problem in our country. In India, malnourished children are so many, and malnutrition means kuposhan. And for that we have to take foodstuffs in our daily diet. Now these foodstuffs, they provide us nutrients. Now what are nutrients? Nutrients are nothing but poshak dravya. And we will see the definition of nutrients. The substances which provide nutrition are called nutrients. We get nutrition from these substances. These nutrients are, there are main 5 types of nutrients in our balanced diet. From 3rd standard, we are studying all these nutrients. For remembering these 5 nutrients, I have made one sentence for making it easy to remember you. There are 5 types of nutrients: carbohydrates, proteins, fats, minerals, and vitamins. For that, how will you remember it? Chinmay Patil फार मस्त वागतो. Chinmay Patil. Chinmay, C for carbohydrates, Patil, P for protein, फार fats, मस्त minerals, and vitamins वागतो. In this way, in one sentence you will remember the whole nutrients. Now these nutrients are divided into 2 types, 2 classes. Which are those? They are macronutrients and micronutrients. Now macro only spelling is different in the second alphabet. MACRONUTRIENTS, macronutrients. A is there, and in micro I is there. Now macro means in large quantity. They are required in large quantity, whereas micro means very small quantity. See, they are required macronutrients in large quantity and micro in small quantity. Now these macronutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Whenever in our daily diet, what happens? We have to take carbohydrates in so large quantity, then proteins in through our milk, fruits, dals, pulses, we get proteins. Carbohydrates from wheat, jawar, bajra, rice, we get carbohydrates, fats from oil, butter, ghee, minerals, vitamins. These are included in our daily diet. We will see all these things in the next topic in detail.